just wondering if anyone has any final thoughts or comments or inspiration why students should choose Deakin.
We think
Matthew?
you should because we really love our course, but I think our
Yeah.
probably best ambassadors are actually our students themselves.
Yeah, I would just say that at least contrasting my experience back home to my experience at Deakin, Deakin really does care about their students. We're constantly having chats with the staff about feedback on the course or feedback on how things are taught. And we're very fortunate here that our cohort is a little bit smaller. So I find it's amazing in the sense that I know everyone in my class by name, see people out in the community all the time and have a nice chat with them. So it's feels like a big family, which I think is very special and very nice. You don't feel lost, you feel right at home, which I think is important when you're traveling halfway across the world for your education. And I feel like I'm not homesick at all when I'm here. I feel like I have great support from both staff and peers. So I think that is probably one of the major things that sets Deakin apart from the rest.
That's great.
Yeah, I would say one of the positives of Deakin is the small cohort side as well as the clinical schools. So I'm currently in Ballarat, which is one of the regional clinical schools, which is very good because you get to build a lot of good relationship with the hospital, with the doctor, with the doctors as well. But yeah, I would say if you're really into the ceremonial aspect of Deakin, aspect of medicine, you may not necessarily find that at Deakin. Just a heads up, like, there won't be any sort of like white coat ceremony. Our graduation day has just changed, so a lot of people won't be able to attend it. So if you're really into those aspects of medicine, just keep that in mind. But if you don't really care about those things, then you wouldn't have any problem. Yeah.